Hi everyone, Gunpla here. Thank you for joining me today for another unboxing. And today we're gonna unbox the SW Heroes Nobunaga Gundam Epyon. So this is the second kit from the SD Gundam Heroes series, and this is a kit derived from the Epyon. So as you can see, the cover art, the Gundam Epyon or the Nobunaga Gundam Epyon looks like a traditional Japanese samurai. So as you know, this kit or this series is made in China, so that's different compared to the other kit that are made in Japan. It has the blue Bandai logo here, and on the side you can see a short description regarding the Gundam Epyon here, and then a short description regarding the cape. It says the cape is divided into 3 sections and can widely unfold. So it's a front view and a rear view of the Gundam Nobunaga Epyon. And then here, it's showing the various poses that you can do with the elbow. And then here, I'm gonna butcher this pronunciation, but it says the Zeto. So Jeto Hajakoryusen finisher can be recreated with the clear effect parts. So that's that part. So here, this is the sword, which is the Eshikiri Hasebe. So that's the sword. Then on this part, again, this is the number 2 from the Gundam World Hero series, and then you can see it's the similar artwork from the cover art. And then here, a link and a description regarding the SD World Heroes anime series, and then the traditional legal stuff and warnings. So this one is pretty much similar, or it's similar to the other side. So let's see what's inside the box. So we got 1, 2, 3. We got 4 bags all in all for this kit. Then we have the manual. So we're gonna check the manual. So the manual, it shows the similar artwork from the cover art, and then the name, and then the short description regarding the model kit, or model suit rather. Then at the back, it's similar to what we see from the side of the box. And then here, it's a short description about Tian Ba Cao Cao Wing Gundam. So that's a Gundam from the Sangoku line. And opening it, it's the traditional SD manual. You see a manga type spreadsheet here. And then you have the traditional building instruction for SD. And then you have the runner list here. So we're gonna use all the parts from the runners. So that's the manual. We're gonna check the runners. So first is the A runner. So this is in the traditional gray color. So all of these are inner parts and some joints. So that's your A runner. Next is the B runner. So B runner is in white color. So as you can see, this is the sword and parts of the cape, as well as the shoulder armor. So that's your B runner. Next is the C runner. So C runner is in the golden yellow color. So these are all the gold trims. This is the headpiece, the skirt, and some parts of the armor as well. So that's your C runner. Next is the E runner. So we don't have a D runner. So E runner comes in a reddish magenta color. So these are some parts of the armor as well as the torso is here. So that's your E runner. Next is the F runner. So F runner comes in the darker blue color. So as you can see, this is the head, as well as some part of the cape and the hair there. So that's your F runner. Next is the H runner. So H runner is in the reddish orange clear parts, or clear color rather. So all of these are the flame emulated parts, or flame simulated parts rather. So that's your H runner. Lastly, for the runners, we have the G runner. So G runner is in black color. This is the sheath of the sword. So that's your G runner. And then we have the foil sticker. So the foil stickers, we have the traditional SD foil sticker. You have the eyes there. And you have some of the color correction stickers. But for this kit, it's actually like lesser compared to the size of the kit. And yeah, it's nicer compared to the other SD kits out there. That's your foil sticker. And that was the unboxing of the SDW Heroes Nobunaga Gundam Epyon. So if you really like the Gundam Sangoku kits, this one is also in the same ballpark. So you're gonna love this one. For me, the number of sticker is acceptable compared to the size of the kit and the details of the kit. So if you find this in your store, please don't hesitate to get it. And I would like to thank Masamune Studio for sponsoring this video. You can also check their website to get this kit. Just visit msmnstudio.com. You can check a wide variety of model kits. They have building materials, they have paints, they have tools, and many more. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe so you get notified every time I release a video. And lastly, thank you for watching and keep building.